Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing the niches that actually keep viewers. Pick 3 topics where retention exceeds 50% and map a series of 5 to 8 videos. Once chosen, produce one pilot immediately, script a strong hook in the first 15 seconds, craft an eye-catching thumbnail, and write a title that promises specific value. This first actionable set gets watch time rolling fast. Make sure to schedule uploads and batch records so momentum builds from day one. Once you have videos rolling, focus on the middle, sequence and retention. You should add chapters and clear timestamps so viewers can navigate easily, and place short teasers at 20 to 30 seconds linking to the next installment. Teach and demonstrate. Keep pacing tight and vary visuals every 30-60 seconds. Make sure to review your retention graphs weekly and surgically remove or re-edit scenes where drop-offs occur. That continuous refinement multiplies average. To finish, stitch tactics together to maximize session watch time. Create playlists that autoplay the series, use end screen links, and schedule regular live streams or premieres to boost long-form minutes. Encourage viewers to binge with clear calls to action and pinned comments linking the next video. If watch time stalls, test 2 thumbnails and 2 titles focused on the first 15 seconds. Swap the lower-performing variant and remeasure. That one troubleshooting loop often restores momentum quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.